Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ziana Wakamlakalaka, and I'm back with another wig review. Today's wig is from Wiggins, and it is Wiggins hair. So this is a 13 by 4 and it is also a 22 inch and it is 200 density. Guys, I'm not sure if it's me or what, but this wig really looks long. Like for a 22 inch, this is a good length. Like literally, I think this looks like a 26 or a 28 inch. I will definitely show you like how it looks at the back. So yeah, this is a 200 density. Can you look at this? Can you see? Like when it comes to hair, I like it when companies don't lie about the density, because when we're looking for hair, and especially if you're looking for like good volume, looking for companies that's going to give you like the exact volume that you want, or even something bigger. That's what we love. And with this hair, you can definitely do that. Look at this, and this hair is wet, but it still looks like 200 density. Imagine if it wasn't wet. Child, this is beautiful. I also love the melt of the hair. Look at how it melted. Like when I'm installing hair, I love hair that is easy to melt down and not something that is difficult to sort of like melt down. So this is definitely it. This is beautiful, and this is a stunning wig. One thing about curly hair, it suits me like no one's business. So I knew when I saw this hair, I was like, this is definitely going to suit me. This is going to look lovely and beautiful on me. And I think it did just that. This is luxurious hair, and it is a 13 by 4. It is a 22 inch and it is 200 density. This is luxury. It is hair that will last you a long time. Look at the density, especially for a curly wig. Like I think for a curly wig you need more density, because you know like the hair falls out. This does not have too much fall out though, but you know like whenever you're combing your curly hair, some hair will come out. So I think this is beautiful and this will last you for a long time. Let's go straight into the review. Let me show you how I installed this baby. I love the lay. Like you cannot even see the lace over here or where it starts. That's what I like about wigs like this, because you can like literally melt it and it melts to the skin. So chill, this is beautiful. These are some of the goodies that the hair came with, and obviously the hairband is my favorite because I love that. And this is the wig, you guys, straight out of the box. And over here I'm just fitting on the wig and trying to make sure that it fits me. I've already identified that it does not fit me, so I'm going in with the scissor and cutting the sides that do not fit me. Just make sure that you don't cut too much hair over here, just cut enough so that the hair fits you perfectly. We are doing the eyebrow pencil method. I saw that on my previous video that you guys loved this so much, so I'm going in with it and I'm drawing the line. I'm drawing it exactly where I want my wig to sit, and I'm also making it lighter because I don't want it to be transparent once I put on the glue and also the wig. I'm going in with my ghost bond and I'm applying the first layer, and I'll wait for it to dry and also go in with the second layer, make that dry as well, and then melting on my wig onto my skin. So I'm using my hands and also I'm using a comb. Use anything that you feel you're comfortable with. Just make sure that it is stuck on properly. I'm also going to do the same thing for the other side. So applying the first coat of the ghost bond, waiting for it to dry off clear, and then also going in with the second coat, waiting for that as well to dry clear, and then melting on the wig. Make sure that the glue dries off clear before you put on or you melt on the wig. We are now doing baby hairs, and you guys know that when it comes to baby hairs, they kill me, child. They kill me. But I think I'm getting better at it daily. I think I'm getting better. Let me know what you think really, but I think this is better. I think I'm getting there. But yeah, these are the baby hairs that I'm doing. I am struggling, but yeah, I'm getting there. I forgot to mention that for baby hairs I am using got to be glue or gel. Yeah, I think it's the gel one, the black one. I'm going in with my got to be spray. So I use this spray to sort of like correct any mistakes that I've made. If there are any lifting spots or anything like that, this is what I use. And then I'm going in with my hairband. I'm going to leave this on for like 15 to 20 minutes. Look at the volume of these curls, you guys. This is what we're talking about when we're talking about 200 density. Child, it is giving that. It is giving even more than that. So I'm going in with my wax stick because I want to make this part sleek and laid down properly. I'm going in with my blow dryer, and I'm also going to use my hot comb just to make sure that that part is flat down and it is slayed.
Just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes.
I've mixed my water with conditioner, so this is Tresemme conditioner, and it makes my hair feel smooth and it makes it feel good. I'm also going in with my Curl La La by Auntie Jackie, and I'm also going in with my mousse, the olive oil mousse. These two products are used to define the curls.
Smile at every word I wrote. What would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love.
Child, this is beautiful. What did I tell you? The melt, did you see how I melted this? This is beautiful and it's easy to do as well. This beautiful wig is from Wiggins Hair, so make sure that you check it out, man. Check it out. This is beautiful, the density and also the length as well. Anyway, you guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Until next time, it is peace from me. Bye. See you soon.